Hello students, welcome to science class. This is Akmal Hussain, lecturer biology, Square High School and College. Now I am going to take science class, standard 6, chapter 6, lecture 2. Today's topic are nose and tongue. Nose. You know, nose is our one of the sensory organ. We can identify fragrance and odor with our nose. We breathe and smell with nose. We enjoy the fragrances of flower and cover our nose when we smell the odor coming from dirt. Our nose is situated above the buccal cavity, that means mouth cavity. Parts of nose, it is divided into two. Number 1, nostrils, and number 2, nasal cavity or nasal canal. This is nostril, that means opening of nasal canal, and the left of the part, that means total cavity from nostril to pharynx is called nasal cavity or nasal canal. Nostrils. The part of the nose through which air enters is called nostril. That means the starting portion of our nose is nostril. It is number of nostrils 2, left and right. Number 2, nasal canal. It is a cavity that extends from the nostrils to the back of the throat or pharynx. The cavity is triangular in shape and divided into two by a thin wall. The front part is covered with hair and hinder part is lined with a mucous membrane. In adult stage, hair is present the frontal part of our nasal canal. Mucous membrane contains blood capillaries and numerous smell receptor cells, and these smell receptor cells take the smell and send it into our brain. Taking care of nose. In children, dirt gets trapped in the mucus, which should be cleaned regularly. Now tongue. The long and muscular organ situated in the buccal cavity, that means situated in the mouth cavity, is called tongue. It is our organ of taste. We feel the various type of taste such as sweet, sour, spicy and bitter with the help of tongue. There is a covering over the tongue containing the taste buds. We can feel sweet and salty taste with the front part of the tongue. With the side of the tongue, we feel sour taste. The taste bud at the back are larger in size and this helps us to feel bitter taste. There are no taste bud in the middle of the tongue. Follow the picture. Front part of our tongue helps to take the sweet taste. Then this part helps to take the salty taste, and the yellow colored part, both side of the tongue, helps to take the sour taste, and this part helps to take the bitter, and middle part of our tongue there is no taste buds. That's why we can't take any type of taste by the help of our middle part of our tongue. Functions of tongue. Number 1, tasting and swallowing food, helping chewing of food by moving it nearer to teeth, helping mixing food with saliva. You know what is saliva? The water-like substances which secreted from salivary gland and open into our buccal cavity is called saliva. Helping mixing food with saliva, that's we may swallow it easily, and saliva make the food slippery. Number 4, assisting in speaking. Taking care of tongue, brushing teeth and cleaning tongue regularly. A white and yellow coating may form on the tongue due to the certain disease. A good result can be obtained by rinsing with salt water. Rinsing means kulkusi kora. Number 3, card-like spots may be visible on tongue of children, occurs due to the fungal infection. Number 4, clean the tongue regularly. Thank you. That's all.